Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Kickstarter unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. They are live right now. Give them some support and choose your package deal they have to offer. This comes from BALANCENAP Master Fit. This thing is amazing, guys. For anybody who needs better sleep, better rest, and will reduce pain. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Thank you guys for watching. Now we're going to unbox it and take a look inside. So this is one of them you're going to get. And like I said, they got different packages to choose from. We'll open it up 1 second. Alrighty guys, here it is. Master Fit. Ooh, baby. This is definitely going to help you guys out. There are many massage chairs, products, and spine equipment that help stiffness. However, those only resolve for a short period of time, what causes the muscles to constrict again. The reason is that there is no smooth flow of fluid in a normal angle of the spine. The most healthy normal angle solution neck angle is 30 degrees to 35. Back angle is 40 degrees. Waist angle is 45. Just by placing on the region of the body, laying down fixes the spine at the right angle. So this will help you guys with everything you have wrong. This is a 100% legit Master Fit. Like I said, Christmas coming up, and a lot of people are at home. This will help them out, try and get some better sleep. Body discomforts begin from tilted postures while working, cross-sitting habit, looking down at your phone. Everyone knows good posture is the key, but it is difficult to maintain, especially in this time we have going on. A crooked posture disturbs the fluid in the spine and can cause repeated nerve pressure and muscle pressure. Having your legs crossed while sitting can cause your back to receive stress levels up to 300 kg. Whoa. Consequently, pressure is unequally distributed and causes stiff muscles. But yep, this is it, guys. This will help you with everything at the Master Fit. Take a closer look. Hold on 1 second. There we go. Look at that. You put your neck around here. Look at that. You can adjust this thing right here. You just slide it. Hold on 1 second. I'll show you. So it's really easy. You gotta go like that. Then just pull it out like there, and then there you go. Clicks like that. So it's lightweight, easy to carry, travel with. And we got that one. BALANCENAP Master Fit. It's a win-win situation, guys, for you guys. It'd be a great item to get somebody this holiday season, and you guys will not be disappointed at all. So get one for yourself, a family member, maybe your trainer, a friend, co-worker. Something like this would be really helpful for them and you. So take advantage now before they sell out. They are moving fast, guys. So click the link down below and be safe. Have a good night and see you guys soon.